Don't we all like when things are easy? Like how I got my Cosmic Byte headphones replaced. A few days ago, I was playing a game. All of a sudden, I experienced some issue with the headphones. But I didn't stress. I just logged onto the Cosmic Byte website and visited their customer support portal by visiting support.thecosmicbyte.com to create a ticket. Or you can also directly email on their customer care on cc@thecosmicbyte.com. I raised a ticket by uploading the tax invoice, product pictures from all the angles, and a short video of my headphones highlighting the issue. Just these 3 easy steps. The customer care team was prompt and responded within 24 hours on my ticket number with the pickup details of the defective product. I just had to pack my headset properly in a box to prevent it from any damage during transit. My package was picked up within the next 48 hours and sent it to the testing center. The package delivery updates were shared with me via email once delivered at their testing center. After a few days, I received an email with all the details of my headphones along with the courier tracking details of my headset and received it within 3 to 4 working days. Saw how easy their door-to-door replacement works? Now I'm back to gaming.